Page 6, video. This is a fun little piece. 4/4 time signature. Using the white keys. There's no accidentals in here anywhere. Not using any black keys, just white keys. We're coming in on beat 4. It has a pickup beat. One beat in the first measure. There should be another measure somewhere with 3 counts in it, and there isn't. In my opinion, another error. But it doesn't affect how we play it, so we'll keep going. Got a lot of eighth notes. Left hand starts here. Put your hand here, and the right hand starts here, so your middle C position. So 4 and 1 and. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now what's going on here? Measure 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and. See, it's tied for beat 3. You don't play it again, you hang on to it. If that confuses you, then take out that tie and play all the notes. 1, because that's what it is. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But once you can get that, then just put the tie in. Just hang on to the note rather than playing it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 3 and. You get the rhythms all over the place, huh? Now on measure 6, remember the numbers at the beginning of the lines above the staff in the boxes? Those are measure numbers. So measure 6, third line, last measure. You're starting here. Just reach up your little finger up here, and now we switch to this hand position. And then come back down. That right hand comes back down for here, and hang on to the left hand. It's tied. You're just adding that to it. So again, measure 7 is 1, 2, 3. You do that some more. Measure 15. Here it's now they want second finger here because we need second finger here because we got this chord coming up and we need to be in position for the chord. So in order to play the chord right, we've got to have second finger here, and that's why they're doing it. Otherwise you could do it with the thumb, but now you're out of position to play the chord in the next measure. So we use second finger there. So again, measure 15 is that. 2. That A is tied all the way to the end. You're going to hold that down for 5 counts, and you're going to do this and then the chord. So at the end, you got all these notes down. So again, starting at measure 15. Here, here, like so. Okay. So you go through and try and get it to work out, and then take out any hesitations. You got to be a steady beat. As far as articulation goes, they give you a few accents. So you play those notes a little louder. Look on measure 2. Play that note a little louder. And you get accents on these other notes too. Just play those notes a little louder. Dynamics, we're starting out moderately loud. MF, mezzo forte, whatever you think moderately loud, sort of loud. That makes the accented note a loud note. So you come up a little bit from where you're at. So if I'm moderately loud, the accent's going to be loud. And that's pretty much it. They don't give you any other dynamics. Well, you don't have to stay exactly moderately loud all the way through. Get to know it. And if you feel it getting a little louder and softer, do it. Try it out. Speed, fast, swing, rhythm. Well, that's a kicker. Fast, well, it depends on how quick, how accurate can you be. You got to be accurate. Go beyond accurate. However, it's the word swing that gets me. I'm going to swing the rhythm because it's a swing rhythm. And that means I'm going to swing the counting. Instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and, it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3. That's swinging the counting. It's long and short. There's no notation for it. You have to feel it. 1 and 2. And I play it that way. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and just swinging it all the way, and that'll slow you down a little bit, and that's okay. But it should be a fairly quick little rhythm. my opinion about their pedal. Some people will play it a little faster, slower. It's a personal thing. And then, of course, they've added pedal. You don't need pedal on this. You do it fine without, but they've added it. Okay, let's try it out. Measure 7. I'm going to push the pedal down right after I play the notes. And I'm going to leave it down. I'm going to lift it up with the hands before I do the last note there on the page. I'm not pedaling that. So it's 1, 2, 3. It comes up with those. And then it same thing at the end of this other page 7. Same thing. Here, everything comes up together. Pedal and the hands and everything at the end of the count, wherever it is. And that's the pedaling. I don't know that you need it, but okay. At the end there, I'm going to lift the pedal up right after I play the notes in the last measure. So it's here. Here. So I'm not pedaling the last measure really. I like to play it with you slowly. Let's double check the notes and the rhythms. I'll go ahead and show the pedaling, and I am going to swing the rhythm because that's what it says to do. So I'm going to give us 3 counts. Now let's just go very slowly. You should be playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. I'll give us 3 counts. 1 and ready and go, and 4 and 1 and 3 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 3 and 3 and 4 and off. There's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that, and you play what we just played. I have rests in this thing at the bottom, and I don't like that because I can't hear you, I can't stay with you. So I'm going to play something, at least quarter notes or something, so you can hear the beat on when I have a rest. I'll make something up. Now again, for this duet to work, I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard. So we're just going to pretend middle C, instead of this C on the keyboard, is going to be this C. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here, and this will work better. So I'll give us 3 counts, and let's play this together slowly, but I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Maybe not full speed, but up a little bit. 1 and ready and go.